Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with one sample paper of the school, as you can see on the screen. It is the paper of Welland South Smith School, and this is their pre-boards paper. And I'm going to solve the MCQs and show you the give reason answers. Along with that, I'll show you a sample answer paper of my student who had solved this paper, and she has got perfect 10 on 10 and 5 on 5 in all the answers. So what are the things which you need to remember, the key points and the quotation which you have to incorporate in order to get that perfect marks while drafting your answer. So let's get started. First question, choose the correct option from the following questions. In Act 5, Scene 1 of the play, in Act 5, Scene 1 of the play, Macbeth, why does Lady Macbeth keep washing her hands? What are the options? To remove her dirt, ye nahi hoga. To relieve herself from guilt, this is the correct answer. She was guilt tripped, and owing to her paranoia, she kept washing her hand again and again, and she wanted to get rid of that, of having committed regicide. To show her strength nahi hoga, to hide her fear nahi hoga. ठीक है? Next question. In Act 5, Scene 3 of the play Macbeth, what does Macbeth say he will not be afraid of? So Act 5, Scene 3 mein, when he comes to know that indeed Birnam Wood is marching down to Dunsinane Hill, he says that he is not going to be afraid of number one, death. Betrayal to hoga nahi because he's already been betrayed by his camaraderies, by his peers. Third one hoga bane. Bane means a sort of poison, you can say. Things which have been done to inflict threats upon him. That is bane, a possible threat. And losing his throne, of course, he is afraid of losing his throne. So, ye nahi hoga. So, the correct option will be 1 and 3. So, this is your correct answer. Okay. Chaliye, moving to the next question. What might be described as the main difference between Macbeth and Macduff? Where Macduff was doing things for the welfare of the country to bring back the political stability, while Macbeth was the cause of political instability. He was disrupting the political situation of Scotland. So Macbeth desires personal power while Macduff wants to save his country. Let's see the other points, other options and eliminate it. Macduff is only loyal to Macbeth, nahi hoga. Macbeth is powerful warrior while Macduff must rely on diplomacy. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Macduff is resolved to directly confront Macbeth. Macduff is driven only by ambition. No, this is also wrong. So this is your correct option. ठीक है? चलिए, third MCQ. Macbeth says they have lied me to slake. I cannot fly. So what does he mean by that? That he has been surrounded by all the enemies and he is unable to escape his ultimate end. So he understands that English forces have surrounded him, should be your option, but फिर भी हम लोग बाकी सब भी देख लेते हैं. He understands that his wife has killed herself. No, this is not connecting to the statement given here. He understands now that the vicious prophecies are untrue. No. He understands that he has reasons to be afraid of Macduff. No. He confronts Macduff. Okay. So option A should be the correct one. They have lied me to stake. Next one. Read the two statements from the story, The Cookie Lady, and choose the correct option given below. Statement 1. Bubber's parents worry about his sickly appearance, which is right, which is correct. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is Bubber's parents did not want him to go back to Mrs. Drew house. Did not want him to go back to Mrs. Drew house for one last time. Reason? Because of his sickly appearance, he always used to come from Mrs. Drew house famished. He used to feel a little weak after coming from there, and sickly he used to feel. So that is why statement 2 is the reason for statement 1. Okay. C should be your correct option. Next one. If a sparrow brushed a window, the shade snapped up. This is from There Will Come Soft Rains. The bird flew off. Sorry, the bird startled, flew off, and no, not even a bird must touch the house. Which of the following describes the mood of the house in the above extract? That house is protective. Excited तो नहीं होगा, nervous नहीं होगा, unforgiving भी नहीं होगा. the house tries to automatically protect from any potential dangers. Next one. Which of the following best captures the central idea of the short story, The Medicine Bag? That is reverence for their cultural roots. So embracing one's cultural roots and family tradition, disrespect तो नहीं होगा, peer pressure of the adolescence नहीं होगा, result of modernization भी नहीं होगा. That is the central idea, central theme. Okay, reverence for the cultural heritage. Next, in the poem Tithonus, in the poem Telephone Conversation, the speaker's sarcastic satire remark about the color of his palms and soul being peroxide blonde serves to create a satirical humor, a wry. Wry means satirical humor, and at the same time, it wants to emphasize on the absurdity, means abnormality, how awkward the question was and how discriminatory it was to question someone's race. Also, we'll read, suggests the racial identity can be changed, not possible, shows willingness to conform to landlady's expectation. No, he did not want it to be subjected to landlady's confined mental expectation. So the answer should be P and Q. Okay, this is your answer, option A. Next one. Tithonus felt like a god. आज ही हमने इस poem को किया. Because in his early house with other human beings, no. In his, when the goddess of dawn chose him as her lover, option B should be your correct option. When he fell in love with Aurora, no. And in his beam of dawn, or I don't know, it's not very clear to me over here. This one also is the incorrect. Okay, so he felt like a god when goddess of dawn chose him as her lover. And the last one, in the poem Beethoven, how did people make fun of the man? By imitating. Imitating means by copying his movements. Since the other members of the orchestra could not understand the kind of music Beethoven produced in his mind, his musical composition, so they were incapable of understanding what a genius he was. They just made fun of him by emulating him, by copying him. Okay, and rest all the options are incorrect. चलिए, now आप पहले इसका question 2 का give reasons का screenshot ले लीजिए and then I will tell you the answer इसका क्या है. ठीक है, I'll show you the paper of my student, what she has written, and along with that you take the screenshot of the question that has come. MCQ मैंने discuss कर दिया. चलिए, the first question. In Act 3, Scene 1 of the play Macbeth, Macbeth hires murderers to ambush Banquo and Fleance because he fears, see how she is written. You don't have to write extremely long answers to get your full 1 mark. He fears Banquo's descendant will take the crown as prophesied by the Weird sisters instead of his own, and also to avoid suspicion, because in Act 3 Scene 1, in the beginning of the scene, we get to see that Banquo suspects of having Macbeth acquired the throne by foul means, and also to maintain his appearance of righteousness. ठीक है? That he wants to be free of suspicion. Next question. In Act 3, Scene 5 of Macbeth, Hecate feels it is pointless to help Macbeth because Macbeth has relied too much on the witch's prophecy without understanding the true power, their true power. That means Macbeth has undermined the witch's prophecy. At the same time, she feels his fate is sealed and aiding him is a waste of effort. He is bound to be doomed and it is a waste of time to help him out. Okay? And besides, he is also a wayward son. That Macbeth is a selfish man. Next question. At the beginning of the Act 4, the 3 witches are gathered around a cauldron brewing a mysterious potion because they are preparing to, see the keyword, deceive, dhoka, to deceive Macbeth with visions and prophecies, that is the 3 apparitions, that will lead him to his downfall as a part of their plan. And that is why they are gathered around the cauldron and they are conjuring up magical spell for the apparitions to rise. Okay. Coming to next one. In Act 5, Scene 2 of the play Macbeth, a few Scottish lords still accompany Macbeth because they are forced to follow him. They are unwillingly doing it out of fear. This should be your answer. Okay? Next question. The author and his sister in the medicine bag never showed grandpa's picture to their friends because they were embarrassed by his appearance and feared that their friends would not appreciate their heritage. They also feared that his grandpa's appearance did not resonate, another point, with the kind of stories they had narrated to their friends. Okay. Moving to the next question. In the story, there will come soft rains. The city emitted a radioactive glow because the city had been exposed to a nuclear explosion. It had been exposed to a nuclear explosion which had wiped out humanity. See how direct and to the point answer she has written, and that impresses an evaluator while correcting the paper. So do not beat around the bush unnecessarily. Now moving to the next question. The author of Indigo had not been writing for the past few months because, now she has not written the answer here, I'll give the answer, because he had kept busy reading on indigo plantation, and besides he had realized that just by writing would not bring in enough money for him. Okay? Would not bring in enough money for him. This should be your answer. Next one. The African caller in the telephone conversation finds the accommodation suitable because, here she has written, the landlady offered the room at a reasonable price, and also she promised that she lived far away from that place. She lived off premises. This should be your answer. Okay. Next question. According to the speaker of the poem Beethoven, some men drink, some men yell, and some men hit their children because every father wants their children to excel in life and want the best for their children. Every parent wants their child to be a genius. Okay? And the last one. John Donne in Death Be Not Proud says that death cannot kill him because death is a powerless entity, is not as powerful or final as it seems, and that death is not permanent. Rather, it is just a source of soul's liberation. It is just a medium through which soul liberates. That means soul steps into a higher realm towards salvation, okay, or towards afterlife. So it is not possible to cover up the answer in one video. So I'll take up another part where I'll discuss the 5 mark and the 10 mark answers so that you get an idea. Now, if you're liking my video, then please do like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and have a great time preparing for your examination. Goodbye.